smiling wide from ear to ear, with his hat and boots so bright. He works from morning light. The farmer's in the dell. He rings his little bell. He waves hello to all around and gives a happy yell. He plants the golden seeds and pulls out all the weeds. He waters rows, the sunshine glows. He grows just what he needs. The farmer calls his pup, "Come buddy, hurry up." They run and play the farmy way, with giggles bubbling up. The pup finds sleepy cat, all curled upon a mat. "Meow," says she, "don't bother me," and flips her farmer hat. The cat creeps near the mouse, who's snacking near the house. "I love my cheese," the mouse says, "please don't chase me around the house." The mouse grabs cheesy gold and acts so brave and bold. He spins around, then hops to ground and keeps it in his hole. The cheese stands all alone on top of a haystone throne. "I'm king today," it squeaks with pride, "the cheesiest ever known." Please subscribe, Kiddo Splash.